pasta, onion, celery, just this. Here's my cup of mayonnaise. So doing a hand, getting it away. We're going to do I cook it really, really quick. And that. It's not hot. Kind of be good. Let's turn off in a minute. I'm going to put the rice in.
How does it look?
Full small butter in. Full small bit of butter in.
Hey, Chloe. Chloe, can I ask you a question? Chloe, may I ask you a question, please?
Mm-hmm.
What are you making?
I'm making a raisin smoothie.
Onion and raisin smoothie?
Would you help me?
Sure. What would you like me to do?
Mommy?
What?
I'm going to do a pot and I'm going to get your lid on.
Okay. Did you find one? Wow, that's a big lid. Is that gonna fit?
No.
It's not gonna fit, huh? Hey, here, we can pretend if you want. All right. Okay. So what do you have in your soup? What did you put in your smoothie? What's inside there?
And he's got smoothie.
Well, what's in it?
And he wants to go into cook.
Okay. You're gonna let it cook.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you tell me what you put in there? Did you put raisins in it?
Mm-hmm.
What else?
But is it going to cook?
Okay. Did you put some garlic in it?
Mm-hmm.
And some flour?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And you mixed it up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it's all done cooking. Are you going to taste it?
Mm-mm.
You're not? I think it's time for you to give it a taste and see how it tastes. Are you going to taste it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give it a little taste. How is it? Is it good? Chloe,
No.
it's not good?
No, too big.
It's too what?
It's too big.
It's too big. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's just great. So you won't eat zucchini bread, but you'll eat, like, raisins covered in flour and garlic? Okay, well, say goodbye to your audience. Say goodbye.
Bye.